We are going to the California Adventure after Disneyland, and then we'll be back again to Disneyland later. Look at all those people lining up. See you guys over there. You can take photos with the Disney characters here. Oh, look, Snow White and the dwarf. And Minnie and Mickey is over there. Yeah. We can take a photo of you over there. Yeah. And a Snow White. Look at this. Oh, that's so cool. You want a photo? You want the Minnie and Mickey photo? Thank you. Daisy. Okay, Ali. Thank you, Daisy.
Go on up and say hello.
Go on, say hello. Alright. Say hi, Minnie.
Oh, actually, let's go on this side.
Oh, she heart you, Ali. Thank you. Okay, come on, Ali. Yay! We are here at the California Adventure, mga palangga. This is where all the Disney characters hang out. Minnie and Mickey and Snow White and the dwarf left already. So Daisy came out. Ali got a photo and a short video with Daisy. It's really nice out here. Look at the sun, it's so pretty. Well, see you guys later. Bye. Oh, nandito pala si Pangging Ali. Hi, Pangging Ali. Pangging Ali. Busy si Pangging Ali. Kumakain ng churros. So, as we predict, Pluto came out. The dog. Next to Daisy. Oh, there he is. We're heading towards the Avengers.
My favorite
don't-
favorite superhero has to be
Oh,
Superwoman.
Superwoman.
I don't know what you call her again.
Avengers, huh?
That has to be my favorite. Spider-Man slide ride.
And this is the what, Han? Avenger, right? Oh, this one right here. And there's the spider ride over there. I don't want to go in the spider ride, Han. I don't think I can ride on that one.
Captain Marvel.
Who?
Captain Marvel.
Captain Marvel. It's a girl, pretty awesome. Look at Black Widow. Did you see her? She's great.
You don't look like recruits. I've got this. Initial alarm level 2. All units alerted. My turn. Let's try this again. Who sent you? An old friend. System offline. Assets at risk. Reinitializing. Taskmaster. What do you want?
HQ back online. Miss Romanoff, your abandoned cargo has been secured safely inside the quick jet.
It's in the jet. Let's go. Friday, don't put him through!
Yeah, she put me through. Hi, Nat. Everything okay? You need help?
I don't need help!
Yeah, I said help.
Uh-oh.
Intruders, step aside. I won't ask a second time. Please introduce our guest.
The Taskmaster. Origin unknown. Be ready. Taskmaster has the ability to master and replicate your fighting skills.
It's annoying.
This is a fight you cannot win.
Yes, Miss Romanoff. Bay 94 secured.
This is not going to end well for you.
There's so many people. Hello mga palangga, we're gonna go to the Guardians of the Galaxy rides. We'll see how it goes since I never liked the rides, and here is the building right here. We're gonna go inside over there and get on a ride. Just go. Yeah, we're gonna go inside over there. That's one of the famous ride here in California Adventure. Hi Pangging Ali. Pangging Ali and her Minnie Mouse and cotton candy, of course. And Pangging Alex. Hi Ali. We are going to the rides. See rides. Let's wait for your dad. Dad is waiting. We got the fast lane, so we don't have to wait hours in. Look at all these rides right here for the kids. Let's go see the rides. Oh, it's this one right here, Ali. That ride right there. It's gonna spin you around.
This one first.
Wait time Taco Bell, look.
Oh, okay. I don't want it because we just ate, no? I don't want to get too dizzy.
Over there. Oh, there's Lydia.
Welcome to Carlands, the Pixar Pier. We're going to the Pixar Pier. Oh, Ali, look. Who's that? Goof. Say Goofy. Stop goofing around. Get it? Ali, stop goofing around with Krabby. Pixar Pier. Look at Mickey's face in the fair as well, Ali. Oh, they have to raise it up like this. Okay, let's go on. Come on, continue.
I wonder if this could be a ride.
The mermaid ride. We're gonna go to the mermaid ride, right, Dad? Around here. Let's go, Palanga. Welcome to the Pixar Pier. And the Little Mermaid is right there. Oh, that is so beautiful. Oh, look at that roller coaster. No way I would get into that. Honey. Did you see how it turned you around? Oh, jeez. Yeah. There it goes.
That one's probably like the most intense one here.
The roller coaster, no? No way. Whoa. Oh, look, that one. Watch out for that one. They're gonna spin in the middle of that Pixar Pier sign. Did the other one went through already or not yet? Wow. Oh, whoa. Jeez. Just by looking at it, I don't know if I can make it. This area is a good place to take photos of the whole place. There's the Mickey Ferris wheel. We did the mermaid ride earlier. So California Adventure, mga palangga, it's supposed to represent the different places of California. There's another ride on top there. This is the hotel that we had stayed in. There's so many rides. There's our little kids ride, also adult. Goofy Sky School. We wanna go to Goofy Sky School, Ali. Oh, look at the long wait. There's so many people today, even though it's a weekday. We're gonna go see if we can get into the Ferris wheel ride. Daddy said that we're gonna go in the Ferris wheel ride. Oh, the silly symphony swinger. No way I would get into that. Look how pretty the buildings are decorated. So this is California Adventure 2022. There's no way that I would get into this ride, the roller coaster. It's crazy. Look at that. Oh, wow. Woo. I don't. Look at this tiny little kids ride, the little octopus ride. How cool is that? Inside and out, Ali, emotional whirlwind. Buzz Lightyear and Windy is here hanging out, mga palangga, sa Pixar promenade. You can go and take photos, but Ali not really into taking photos anymore, so we're just gonna go walk around. We're gonna see if we can get in this ride, but I don't think I will. It's so huge and I'm kinda scared of getting in the ride. Welcome to the Mermaid Ride. The little critters carousel.